Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download the Showmax app on your Android TV without Play Store, nor do you want to use downloader. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So once you install Showmax without using downloader nor Play Store, here's exactly what to do. Now what you have to do, you come to your inbuilt browser. Now we're going to use another browser, but your inbuilt browser can also go. I'm going to use the TV Pro browser. I see a browser, but it's better than my inbuilt browser because it is optimized for my Android TV. So what you do once you're here, you just go ahead and launch it. So as you launch TV Pro optimized using Google as your search engine, here's how mine looks like. So you just go to this search box over here. Remember, you could use your own inbuilt browser, but I want to use it because it is perfect and it will make the video go faster. So once you're here, just go ahead and type in the name of application one, which is Showmax. The secret is typing in Showmax APK. Once you type in this, just go ahead and click OK on your keyboard or on your remote control. Once you click OK, this is how the search result is going to look like. Now, the first option is going to go to Google Play, even though it's going to the web store, but sometimes, at times, or most at times on Android TV, it doesn't work well. Alright, so you can also go to the Showmax website. The Showmax website can also work, but I don't know if it's going to work in your country. So the one I'm guaranteed to work is this option, up to down. So just click on it. So as you click on that option, this is how it looks like. So what you have to do is to come over here and click download. Once you click download, it's then going to take a time and load, take a second to load. Once it's done loading, go over here again to this option here and click download. Once you click download, the application is going to start downloading to your Android TV straight away. And when you're using downloader, you want to check, just go over to this download option here and click on it. And it's going to show you the application being downloaded. And here you see the first option is Showmax, be downloaded to Android TV. Once it's done downloading, you can just click on it and install to your Android TV.